Let's head over to the ENCA Weather Centre now. Annette Boerter, how does our Thursday look?
Good morning, Gareth. Well, as promised, let's have a look at a few astonishing rainfall amounts the past 10 days across South Africa. And up until yesterday morning, Pretoria received more than 300 millimetres, which led to flooding over the northern parts of Gauteng. 123 millimetres observed the past 10 days over Johannesburg International Airport and close to 100 millimetres over the southern parts of Gauteng. Ermelo received 237 millimetres the past 10 days. And also close to 100 millimetres fell in the low veld of Limpopo. The Hartbeespoort Dam is still currently overflowing and they received 220 millimetres the past 10 days, 112 millimetres over Pilanesberg and also 61 millimetres observed the past 10 days over Bloemfontein. And just over a week, finally, the much needed dry northern and eastern Cape received some rainfall. 43 millimetres fell over Daar and 73 millimetres over Aliwal North. It's still raining in parts of KwaZulu-Natal this Thursday, and up until yesterday morning we're still waiting for the latest rainfall observations. Durban received close to 100 millimetres of rainfall and Mzimzini over 200 millimetres and 104 millimetres fell over Richards Bay Airport the past 10 days. But otherwise, as mentioned, a few more showers expected this Thursday along the east coast, where we still have a flood warning in place due to the continuous rain along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal as well as the adjacent interior. A few isolated showers and thunderstorms in the forecast for eastern South Africa, and also a few evening thunderstorms expected in parts of the Western Cape, Karoo as well as the Eastern Cape. But otherwise, hot summer weather returns to northwest as well as Gauteng, with a temperature of 30 degrees in Mahikeng, 27 expected in Johannesburg. A dry day for Gauteng with a high of 28 degrees in Pretoria, and as mentioned, a few isolated thunderstorms possible in the eastern parts of Limpopo as well as Mpumalanga. It will be a mainly dry day for the Free State with a temperature of 29 degrees in Bloemfontein. A few isolated showers and thunderstorms in the forecast for the Eastern Cape and later developing over KwaZulu-Natal, but it's currently still raining over parts of the coast in KwaZulu-Natal with a temperature of 23 in Durban, and we still have that flood warning in place, and then later the easterly breeze becoming strong along the coast of the Eastern Cape. But it's a much warmer day in parts of the Karoo, and due to the heat as well as sufficient moisture, a few thunderstorms will develop in the vicinity of Beaufort West as well as Graaff-Reinet. It's a partly cloudy and mild day on the southern coastline, later becoming breezy with temperatures in the mid-20s. A mainly dry day for the Northern Cape, becoming hot over the northern parts with temperature of 37 degrees in Upington as well as Prieska. A few isolated thunderstorms possible over the southern and eastern parts. But it's a partly cloudy day in the mother city, becoming warm to hot with a temperature of 28, and later the south-southeasterly wind picking up along the coast. And into Friday, a few more isolated thunderstorms expected in the east, returning to Gauteng, but no heavy rainfall in the forecast, and also a band of thunderstorms moving over parts of the Cape provinces. And finally, into the weekend, we have a weak cold front making landfall, bringing some light rain for the Western Cape, and thunderstorms continue over the eastern parts of the country. Well, that's all from me. Back to you guys in the studio.